Nate Felton from Accelerated Fasting. We've got our new ratcheting drill press in the Mini-me version to show you, and we're going to drill a horizontal hole for you today. 6-inch drill bit, 3/4 inch diameter. We're going to go the full 6-inch depth. First thing, make sure the selector switch is in the up position right here. Then I'm going to move the drill bit so it's just about 3 inches from our concrete block. That's probably close enough. Just to engage the trigger string. Now I'm going to drill the hole. I'm working so hard. So, I just reached the end of the travel. We drilled the 6-inch hole. I applied the brake, and the reason I did that, it's going to make it easier to release the drill bit from the hole. The spring inside our dust collection is strong enough to help eject the drill bit right from the hole. So I'm going to put the selector switch in the down position. You can't really see me do this because it's on the other side, but trust me, I did it. Then I'm going to hold this drive ball in the released position. Okay, so there's a little spring against that. I'll hold that away. Now I'll release the brake. Look at that. Came right out. I should have helped a little bit better, but kind of get the idea. It works. Thanks, folks.